Okay, so we have another passage. The topic is central idea and details. Honey is usually made from nectar, the sweet liquid produced by flowers to entice bees and spread their pollen. How honey is made? We are reading about this process. Worker bees suck up the nectar through a long thin tube called proboscis and keep it in a special honey stomach known as the crop, which can hold up to 80% of bees' weight in nectar. So what we have read is who makes honey? Worker bees. And how do? They suck nectar from flowers and keep that inside their stomach. And after that, inside these enzymes, including one called invertase, begin to break down the complex sugar into simpler ones that are less prone to crystallizing. That is why honey is in liquid form. It doesn't get solid. It doesn't solidify because of this enzyme. Once worker bees return to the hive is where bees live. Forager bees, another type of bees, pass the nectar to each other from mouth to mouth. Workers that are younger than the foragers then pack the nectar into hexagon-shaped cells in the honeycomb that are made of beeswax. Next, they fan nectar with their wings to encourage evaporation. This is how honey is made by bees. So this is all about one process, which is honey making, and how honey is made. It is made by bees, worker bees, and forager bees. They play their various roles. Which choice best states the main idea of the text? Okay, see the question. We have done two similar questions in the number of questions that we have just done. We have done these two questions where we are asked about the main theme or main idea of the text. Okay. Okay, how worker bees tirelessly work to suck nectar, the sweet liquid produced by flowers. It is only about how they suck the nectar. It is only about worker bees and how do they suck the nectar and put that in their tummy, in their stomach. No, it is about the complete process, not only about worker bees. Okay, how honey is made from nectar? Yes, it is about honey making. The sweet liquid produced by flowers by tireless worker bees. It is about honey making. We can say yes to it. But we have to see the option C and D as well. C says how worker and forager bees switch roles in turning nectar into honey. Do they switch their roles? Do they do their each other's duties? No, nothing has been said so. Then how can we say yes to it? Okay, next option D says how worker bees simplify the seemingly complex process of making honey. According to this process is quite complex and they are simplifying. And this is about simplification of the process? No, no simplification, no complexity discussed. So we will not take this any right option. So we have the right option, which is B, and others are out. So you can see that how we are deriving at the right answer option. Question tags again. Reading, in-depth reading, information was given. Central idea is what we have to find here. And we are to also look into the details also. It was not a pair text, no graphics, level medium. It is about honey making process.